There once was a wolf who loved the moon so bright. Her glow was light as darkest night. He climbed the peaks to reach her sight, but she was gone beyond his sight. Through the skies he chased her light, every step a desperate fight. Oh, the moon, she shines so far away. Oh, the wolf still howls for her today. Oh, the love that fades into the gray. Oh, the dream he never could betray. The mountains high he dared to climb, the endless night he crossed still time. Her silver glow his only guide, yet still she slipped